second video, which is the 7.1b for the topics. Okay, now I switch to using another kinds of uh, video taking. So let's see if this is more clear by using the ebook. Okay, so this part we're talking about the total surface area. So the previous video we have talked about the volume of the pyramid. Okay, now for the total surface area of pyramid, it just depends on how many faces it got. Okay, so it depends on what is the base of this pyramid. Okay, you can see in this example, this is a pentagonal base. So for the literal faces, you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got 5 of the literal faces. And then the base will be the area of pentagonal. Okay, so totally you add up of all these 6 faces of the area, you will get the answers. So let's see for the example 7.4. What is this question is about? Okay, so first you will see that VABCD is a regular pyramid with the square base ABCD. Okay, so the square base is the most important thing. So you can see that AB is 10, BC is 10, CD is 10, also AD is 10. Okay, so for first, they give you the slaying edge is 13. So VD now you can see is 13. Okay, so for the part A, you have to find the area of VDA first. Okay, so some of you may don't know why this happened. Okay, I would like to explain to you. For this VDA, we just cut this triangle outside and then we just focus on this. You will see that both VD and VA, we got the same length for 13. So which is equilateral triangle. So for the property of isosceles triangle, so for the property of isosceles triangle, if this is perpendicular, that means the VD and EA are the same. So this is the property of isosceles triangle. So by using this kind of stuff, we don't need to write down. You can see, we can show you right here. So all you need to know is that for the VEA is actually perpendicular for this, and this is the 10 divided by 2 is the length of 5, and then line edge, this is the 13. Now you can using the Pythagoras theorem, and you have to find VE. So you can see the Pythagoras theorem is right here. I won't try it again. Okay, so 13, and then this is 5, and then you will see the VE is the length for 12. Okay, now you can find the area because you know the VDA by base is 10 and the height is 12. So base times height divided by 2, you will get the answer for 60 cm squared. Okay, after finishing the part A, we are now talking about part B. So focusing on the total surface area of this pyramid. Okay, so I cancel it out some messy things. Okay, so in this part you will see we have the adding up all 5 faces. So which 5 faces is this? So the first one is this. The second one is the VCD. The third one is VBC. The fourth one is VBA. And the base of this is the fifth. Okay, so we're adding up of these 5 faces. Okay, first you can see that the area of triangle we have already calculated out. Okay, and then all these 4 are the same. So you can see the 4 times this 60 is the sum up of all these line faces. And then the base, which is the square. So 10 times 10 is the area of the base. So you will adding up all that together, you get 340 for cm square. Okay, it's not difficult, so you can try to do the quick practice 7.4 by yourself. and let's see if you can handle it. So in this quick practice also, you're adding up all faces, these 4 slide faces, sorry, 3 and 4, and then the base will be the 5th. Okay, you can try it out. Okay, now talk about the example 7.5. Example 7.5, you can see another kind of rectangular base pyramid. So which means the base is a rectangle. You can see the width is 18 and the length is 32 cm. Okay, it shows you that the height of this pyramid is 12. So VO actually is in the length of 12. Okay, now first let's see what we need to find out. Part A, they need us to find the area of triangle VAB. So first, for VAB, I copy out this. So AB I know is 18, but we don't know this VM for the height. So we need to find out the height for VM actually. So how can we find out? So first, I got a right angle triangle for VBM. It's a right angle triangle. Okay, so what is the length for VO? Is the height of 12. And then also, what is the length for OM? And then you can see for this total length for BC is 32 cm. OM, which is actually half of the length. So you can make this to be 16 actually. So you will see by using this Pythagoras theorem, because this is a right angle triangle, we can have 12 square plus 16 square and then square root of this, and then we get this VM to be 20 cm. Okay, so we can find the area of VAB by using this base is 18 and then the height is 20, just calculated it. So the 1/2 times base times height, and then you will get the answer for the triangle VAB, the areas. Okay, then actually almost the same for triangle VBC for part B. Okay, then we can see for triangle VBC, and then we know the base is 32 already. And then we need to find out the length for VN, which is the height of this triangle VBC. And then also we did the same things again, because VON, we know this is a right angle triangle. So VO again is 12. And then ON is the half of the 18. So this should be 9. By using the Pythagoras theorem again, and then we can calculating this VN should be 15. Okay, if this is 15, then we have length, we have height. For this is actually 15 VN. And then the length for BC actually is 32. So base times height divided by 2. And we calculating the area should be 240. Okay, finally we find the total surface area. I'm sorry. Okay, so the total surface area, part C. Okay, we just draw it here. We can see for the for this pyramid, it consists of 5 faces. And so for the 2 faces with the area of 180, so we add up the total surface area to be added up with 180 times 2, because the front and the back should be 180 also, these 2. Okay, and the left and the right side should be the area of 240, so plus 240 times 2. And then we plus the base area, which is the rectangle with the width 18 and the length 32. So 18 times 32. So you will get the total surface area. Okay, sorry. Okay. Now you can see the final answer should be 1416 for cm square. Okay, then you can see actually quick practice for 7.5 is almost the same thing. Okay, you can try to using this logic to finish the questions. Okay, now you can see the consolidation corner. You can feel free to finish it. Okay, then the quick practice 7.4 and 7.5, you can also finish this with the consolidation corner. Okay, and then I will giving you a worksheet for 7.1b. Okay, you can finish it. And also I would like you to have studies for the 7b first. You can try to watch it for a while, and then let's see if you know, and then I will show it on the next video. So if you don't have any problem, okay, then you can finish all this stuff. If you got something you want to ask, you can find me, feel free.